Yo, what's up, y'all? It's been a minute since your boy made a video, and it's simply for the reason for that is just the fact that, like, not gonna lie, the G got hit, bro. The G got hit. It was a minor hit, and it pissed me off because that minor hit caused so many problems, y'all. Like, it blew my wheel bearing, my outer tie rod off, end link, my wheel got a little bent, my fender is cooked, my front bumper got like scratched and bent in forward. Y'all know I got custom headlights too, so my headlights was also cooked. Like, it was so much stuff that's happened from this little minor hit, bro. And it's simply, the lady hit my car and somehow ended up swapping her license plates, bro. And the reason why I know that is because she has both cars in her crib with the license plates swapped around. The car that hit me with different plates and the other car. And the insurance don't want to hell do nothing, no investigation or nothing. Fucking Geico, bro. Because look, what the freak, bro? Like, all you had to do is do an investigation. You would have found out that what happened. But that's it simply. I'm going to show you what happened real quick. And then we're going to get to some other stuff because I got a lot of stuff planned for the G, y'all. So stay tuned, bro. We got a whole bunch of stuff coming for the G, bro. I actually ordered everything. So stuff already start coming in the mail. Got y'all, bro. Just got to hold on. All right, y'all. So surface level is not going to lie. It's just the fender and the front bumper and the headlight fitment. But the way the car did get hit, the wheel did get hit. So I can't show you the wheel. But, like, I had to change, like, the wheel bearings, some suspension parts, like end links, outer tie rods. Because those went too. And this is a fitment. The overall fitment doesn't align on this side no more. Like, overall, it just doesn't align anymore. Y'all, what's up? In the last clip, I'm not gonna lie, I was talking about how I'm, like, doing some things for the G, and I didn't even show y'all, like, the things I'm going to be doing. So some of the stuff came in. I actually give y'all a little sneak peek, you know what I'm saying? Just a little sneak peek. Don't mind my background. I'm not gonna lie. My background may look a little dirty, but don't mind that, all right? A little sneak peek. Look at this, bro. Look at this. Woo! Now, I never used this company for rap before. This is a new company, but new to me company. I just got the wrap. I'm not gonna lie, I'm probably not gonna put this color on for a while. It's just like, it was cheap, so I just got it just because. But this color is fire, bro. In the dark, like, I don't know if you can see, like, on the darker side of it, like, it's black. When you look at it head on, it's purple. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it changes. So that's fire, bro. I'm not gonna lie. And then with the new wheels I got ordered too, when they come in, it's gonna be fire. Like, and then I'm gonna give you a little bit of an update as well on a couple of things, which is outside. The blue G is no longer the blue G. I'm gonna explain. You see, the car's looking a little sad under here. Let me see if I can get this clip off. There we go. First of all, it's not even the Infiniti wheels no more, y'all. We're on Nissan's Central stock wheels. They fit. Blue G is bare. Mirrors. There's no mirrors. Just a hole. Tail lights. There's no tail lights. Ouch. Just a hole. Blue G's being stripped out, y'all. Been partied out. So once it's done parting out, we're gonna send the shell somewhere else. Engine transmission's gonna go somewhere else because those are still healthy. But the blue G is under this somewhere, under all of this.